today's video, I will be your host. Can I use the word host? Like you all know, you should know by now, I'm the kind of person that I love my content genuine. I love my content real. If I should have a mistake, you'll be able to see the mistake I did. And if you, by chance, you are creating or you are doing what I asked you to do, you come across such mistake, you know how to navigate it. That's why you notice in my videos, I don't edit. I record and I publish or I upload same thing I record. I don't need to put a background sound. I don't need to do that. I don't need to edit or cut out anything. I do it to be sincere at the same time. Like I said, if there's any mistake, you'll be able to see it. So if you are new to my channel, guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping more tips, more videos. Expect more based on the question you guys have been asking in the comment section. So in today's videos, guys, there's this question people have been asking that I would like to answer. I'll be using one stone to kill two birds today. So first thing, I'll be showing you how to chat, live chat with a customer representative. Another thing I'll be sorting out in this video is this question whereby my name is so person in my Amazon KDP account. Can I use another name entirely can I use another bank details that has another person name entirely to receive my fund? I already have the answer, but if you should watch this video to the end, you'll be able to get the answer genuinely, not from my own head, but genuine answer to it. So, guys, if you feel this has been your worry, this has been what you've been thinking on how to do it, because yes, my previous account was terminated. I want to create another account with another person's name. Can I now use my own bank details to receive the fund, or can I use another person's bank details to receive the fund? Why the Amazon KDP name is my name, this and that. What do you know more? Because I'm gonna answer the question in this video, guys. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, share this video to families and friends they need it, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's dive in. First thing first, I'll go to my Amazon KDP account. As you can see, already sign in. So for first thing you need to do here is come to your account. Be sure of the name you used in the account, right? So this what I'll do. I'll go to the account settings, your account. I copy the name I have here as it has been written. I copy it, then I go back to my bookshelf, which I call it my dashboard. You get. So once I do that, good morning. Once I do that, just come down to your dashboard, then scroll down to contact us. Scroll down, then you click on this contact us button. Once that has been done, click on the second option which says format request and book status. Then click on book status. Then click on contact us. So this button will pop up. Then click on this start chat. A customer representative should be able to come online. As you can see, these are their new ways. Before now, they normally have the chat will come up as if you're chatting on WhatsApp or this, but this is a new way. This is the new way they set their website or so. So your KDP account holder name. Sometimes just copy it and just paste it here. Then click on start conversation. It's because they will want to ask to be sure they are chatting with the owner of the account. So basically, you have successfully uh, know how to chat with the customer representative, so you can ask them any question you feel like asking, whereby they will answer. So someone has joined, as you can see, CB, CB has joined. So I can ask him or her, I don't know if it's a female or male name, the same question that I already have an answer to, but I would like to show you how you can be able to ask any other question using this prompt. As you can see, he mentioned my name. Hello, Tosin. I now go ahead and ask him that same question. Can you provide your what email address as it's listed on your KDP account? So for this account, I feel they can ask such question. Just come up with the email. Just know the email address you are using for the account, then you provide it. They just want to verify who you are chatting. They want to be sure the person chatting with them is the owner of the account. So once they verify such email, you are good to go. Let's see. Thank you for the information. So you can ask the question. And what's the question? Please see what I'll be typing, please. I have this question in, please. I have this question I've been wanting to ask, which is my account is created in my name, but I will love to send or love to receive my royalty with my girlfriend, with my, let's make it a parent bank details. I just want to confirm if that can be possible. I just started Amazon KDP early this year, so I want to use the money to help my parents in one way or the other. So that is my question. So guys, so guys, let's wait and see their response. Let's wait and see their response, which I already know the response in my head, but I want to do it live so that you guys can be able to understand and see how it's been done. Not that I bought an idea from my head, I'm dictating it to you on YouTube. You now feel Nelcon is not confirmed. It's not confirmed. It's not confirmed from the source. So as you can see, you will respond to it one way or the other. So there's no magic around this shit, bro. Just know the right channel to channel your stuff. I'm asking from Amazon themselves directly. I'm asking them directly. I'm asking them directly. So he or she is typing, but the name look feminine. So I believe she's typing. So let's see. I won't tell you the answer yet, but let's see. Let's see what she will say. Let's see together. Our name on KDP account should match in the tax details bank info, yes, and bank detail tax info. Our name in your KDP account should match the name in tax details and bank info. Okay. 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 Sometimes the payment might get failed if there is a name mismatched. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wait, tell me finish that thing. Hmm? Finish that thing. It's not what to have. I know it's not. I like, you know what you go. Sweat those onions, those other onions. Yeah. Sweat it. Yeah. Once you finish, as you can see what I'm typing, right? Yeah. Cook it again. So, in one word, all the names must be the same. So, you're waiting to hear from them. Let's see what they will say. Okay, thanks. I'll just say okay. Thanks for your time. That will be all for now. So I guess you send a message. So guys, as you can see the response from this lady or a guy for today, but guess what? I chatted with same Amazon KDP few days ago. So let me close this. I need to show you this. Sometime last week. Let's thank you for contacting Amazon KDP. As you can see, I'm chatting with them live. Goodbye. Good. Goodbye. Good day, rather. Automatically. So we are done with this, right? So you have successfully seen what they said, right? But guess what? Few days ago, I chatted with them because I like to be sincere with my content. Few days ago, I chatted with them, and this is the response I got. That means, please and please, once you are chatting with them, try as much as you can to screenshot. Should in case there's anything that comes up. Look at this conversation I had with. I guess this is it. Let me open it. This is. Look at. Let me bold it. Let me bold it so that you'll be able to see what I'm saying. I created this amount. Same process, right? I created this KDP account for myself, but I want to know if I can attach my parents' bank, not back. That's a typographical error. Bank details, which will automatically have a different name on it. I want to know if it is allowed or not. I want them to have the fund I will be getting. This person responded that sure, you can use any bank details of your choice. So look at the next question. And hope it won't affect my account or cause termination because the name in the account details is different from the name of the person receiving the fund. Look at his or her response. It says it can take up to 72 hours for your parents' bank details to be approved on our system. It will not affect your KDP account in any negative way. Next. Okay, same thing. I now said, okay, thanks for now. That's okay. That's all for now. Thank you for your time. Thanks. Instead of thanks you. I wrote thanks you. Anyway, you don't understand me. And I guess I guess same Amazon KDP people, different person, different customer representative with different way of responding. So I guess look at the date of this. I guess this was I chatted with them on the 5th of this month, and today is the 17th. Oh, what am I saying? Okay, on the 7th of this month, so 10 days later, which is today, 17th. So that's two different responses I've gotten. So guess what? You should be able to pick what you need to do. Because for me, when I started this video, if I should tell you directly that yeah, you can do this, you can do that, you can do that, but I feel I should show you the process on how you can ask question from Amazon. So I'm getting two different opinion, two different answer from the same Amazon KDP people, which means they are human. They can as well make mistake one way or the other. Do you get? But for me, I'll go with this first option. It's depend on you. You can try to chat with them anytime you want to fill in the bank details or something. Chat with them. Anything they say, you can easily follow what they say. But for me, I'll follow with this first one, this screenshot I have here. I'll follow it. That's what I want to follow. I don't want to know what this second person is telling me. So if the later come for me, I have a proof to send to them that I chatted with Amazon KDP, this and that. This is what they say. So I followed what they said. So it's as simple as that, guys. So without wasting much of your time, I believe you have been able to learn one or two things from this today. One, you'll be able to learn how to chat with them live. I guess I should do that again for the sake of people that are finding it difficult. Like I said, log into your KDP account. Once you get to your KDP account, click on contact us. So after clicking on contact us, this will pop up. Click on the format request and book status, then click on book status, then click on contact us, and this start chat will pop up automatically. You'll be able to chat with them to ask any question. to ask any question. This is the to ask any question. This is the chat I just finished now. I can easily close it. So you can ask them any question you might be having difficulties to understand, that you are not seeing the question to that answer to that question on YouTube, or your coach or mentor is not answering you. Amazon KDP are in the best form to answer such questions. So, guys, if you find my video useful and helpful, please feel free to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Without further ado, bye for now and see you in the next video.